Welcome, traders. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the Alpha Trend Spotter indicator for MT4. The Alpha Trend Spotter displays a color-coded histogram on your chart. Orange bars indicate a neutral market, green bars represent a bullish trend, and red bars signal a bearish trend. These signals are based on the crossover of two moving averages, a 5-period daily moving average and a 1-period weekly moving average. When these moving averages cross, the histogram changes color, giving you an easy-to-interpret signal. To use this indicator effectively, you can follow the trend it signals on higher time frames, such as the daily or weekly chart, and then switch to lower time frames to refine your entries. The indicator's strength lies in keeping you aligned with the broader market trend, which helps you stay in profitable trades for longer. The most important setting to consider is the daily period, which controls the daily moving average period. You can download this indicator from the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.